This beautiful farmhouse style home has been completely remodeled with top of the line finishes. It stands just on a quiet street just above La Cumbre Plaza shops and restaurants. It's 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms in 2,700 square feet and includes a dedicated office. As we come in the oversized 4-foot custom wood pivot door, enter into this lovely open floor plan. There's a powder off to the side of the entry. It's actually a full bathroom. It has a full wine storage cellar. We come into the dining room, has a custom light fixture and a brand new bar that's been custom made for that location. Fireplace, steel doors separating off. This is considered a 4th bedroom. It could be used as a study, office, or a quiet space. It connects to the full bathroom near the entry. As we come into the kitchen, we've got beautiful stone countertops, top of the line appliances, Thermador refrigerator and Thermador 6-burner stove. Has a walk-in pantry. The cabinets wrap around into the hallway. You can see them here on the right. Entering into the 1st bedroom with an ensuite bathroom with tiles all the way up to the top. Custom doors. All the doors are all custom made. Solid wood jambs. There's the cabinets. Walking into the garage with epoxy floor. Laundry stands just opposite the garage entry door. There are cabinets built in here for like a mudroom sort of application. This is the 2nd bedroom, again with an ensuite bathroom and built-in closets. Heading down the hallway, on the left here we have the dedicated office, or could be a study space. And then entering in the double doors into the primary suite. Has a walk-in closet, all built-in cabinets, custom sealed beautiful wood. Into the primary bathroom, double sinks, custom light fixtures, again fully tiled shower and bathtub area, looking into the toilet room, and then back out to the master suite with large folding door system that opens out for that indoor-outdoor feel. Lovely backyard on a 1/4 acre. Brand new pool, built-in barbecue and cooking area, looking back at the house. So it really lives as an indoor-outdoor, truly wonderful Santa Barbara home where things flow in and out and back to the garage. Call me if you have any questions.